benefits that I've received over the years of working here is the different people that I've worked around, the teachers and the people I have worked with. It's been a nice village to work in.
If it breaks in the school, I'm the guy you're going to call or put a work order in for, and then I will direct my team to repair all those different things, whether or not it's an electrical item that Dan would fix, a plumbing item that Jared would fix, any particular HVAC or filter problem might be going on at KU would be Scott Edgar. If it's a carpentry issue or you want cabinets built, it would be Bill Hazen or William Hazen. If it's a lock issue or something's not working with a door frame or a particular mechanism in a door, that would be David Wiles. All right, we're here at Ponderosa School, which was built in 1969. And as you know, in Klamath Falls, we don't get really some warm weather, but we do in the summertime can get over 100 degrees. And because this school has limited amount of windows, there was not much airflow or natural cooling. So they installed a chiller, which is cools the water at Ponderosa.
I'm the electrician, so I do electrical work. This type of stuff here, what we've got here are some controllers that are going to tie into the computer system through an interface called Delta.
Being 1969, the old chiller is right here. It had finally given up the ghost here this last summer, and we were able to get some SB 1149 funds to be able to install a new chiller.
And this is the old cooling system, and they use these two huge cooling motors that chilled the water that sent it out to the building. It was very, very loud. In fact, when this was decommissioned this last year and they installed the new setup that they're working on, this was the second oldest Trane air conditioning unit of this type in the state of Oregon. I wired the original on all this, and this is our Delta modules. We have inputs, which are temperatures and sensing, pressure sensors and such like that. And then we have outputs that are going to control relays that will control devices and turn them on and off.
But there's no way to take the lid off the school. We're in the basement here and put a new chiller in this room. So what we ended up doing was putting one outside on the ground.
This is all the stuff that I wired on the old controller, all these old relays and sensors and stuff. And this controlled that the air conditioning unit, but it was very, very loud. And it had finally died. And rather than to repair it, we put the new unit outside so it wouldn't be as noisy in the class in this area of the building.
And you can see the white pipes that are plumbed in. Those white pipes are coming from the unit that's outside on the ground.
And the new one is all going to be, I don't have to do individualized relays and all that stuff, so I just have to hook the controls from the new one directly into our control system that relays it through the computer system that they're able to control it.
So it used to be KU had two big boilers in the bottom of the school when it was first done, and every time that we'd have a heating problem, such as the well would quit working, we'd have to fire up one of those boilers, and it cost $10,000 to $12,000 just to run that boiler for 1 month. So when we built the school, I got rid of the boilers and we installed another well. We refurbished this well, which was the original well at KU, and then over here, if you look over across the field, you see the little red building over there. We refurbished the Balsinger well. And so now we have two wells to supply heat to the school. The carpentry department built this wonderful shed. If you look at the roof, there's 4 little hooks up there. So we can just take and grab the roof, pull that section off, and the well truck could just drop in there and repair it. And this being the main well, this heats all of KU right now. There's your pump. If this well ever goes down, or I need to do something for maintenance, I can shut this one down, flip a valve over at the bridge, and turn another well on to heat the school with that one. Never having to spend that money on a boiler again. Brought you over here to what used to be called the Cash House. It was our construction house for KU when we were building the school. And today, the reason I brought you here is to show you that we are converting it into 2 computer classrooms, which normally would have had to be done by September.
I'm bringing in a new commercial service for this. The old service was residential. So, and then I'll be adding all the outlets for the computer stations. I have to wire in, hardwire in, computer wire for that. Here's a typical switch. It's going to go off for a light.
Because of COVID, I was able to use my whole team to be able to help build this thing, and we're still in the process. We hope to have it done sometime in the near future.
It's going to go off for a light, and the fan that's in this room, and the rest of it is still has to be approached.
You know, and I just wanted to thank my team. They always seem to show up every morning, and it doesn't matter if they've got to go clean out a toilet or do anything. They get it done, and we're happy to do it.